I work as a principal designer at Amazon. I lead a design team working on last mile technologies. And then I also founded an initiative called Matansaz, which is born out of my IDEP, which looks at building new technology for the Urdu language and the Arabic script. My IDEP was to build a new kind of Urdu keyboard. Urdu is the language I speak. It's a native language to South Asia. We use the Arabic script, but our keyboards are built from a complicated legacy of typewriting and printing in Arabic as well as English. And so I worked on building simpler ways for people to type in Urdu. We build a new kind of keyboard. So it's an app that people can download on their phone that makes it easier for them to type. We publish data sets for people to start building Urdu technology of their own. So if they want to train their own AI systems, they need data to go with. And so we collate and curate and correct high quality data that people can use. And we publish guidelines and human interface recommendations for people that are designing in Urdu. And the idea is for us to be able to scale this technology to other use cases for the same language, but also for other languages as well. There's one critical factor that impacted the design of the project itself, but also other work that I've done, which is to think on multiple scales at the same time. This is something that the program has talked about quite a bit, which is the idea that people should learn to be able to think of not just products or designs at a product scale or like an interface scale, but also at a systemic scale, or also being able to see how people will interact with it as it grows larger and larger. The push that I got from other people was to look at the problems as a kind of interconnected set of forces, each of which require a different set of intervention. Is there a way to build a series of items that would push the entire system forward? Building a keyboard required that I also built an AI system. That required that I also built a data set. Building a data set required that I deal with language experts and get good quality written text, but that I also built partnerships with open source contributors that were able to help me clean and manage the data and host it and use it with other people, and also build collaborations with people that would then use this data to build other things. And so now the venture is very much broader than just building a gadget. It's very much about how do we influence better product development in the space for an entire population. And so my ability to influence is much higher than it would have been otherwise.